Here's how you can sync your Android app with AnexConnect. Navigate to prod1.anexconnect.com. Log in with your user credentials. Once you logged in successfully, navigate to Profile Settings, then to Notification Config. Here, add a country. Give config name, select the customer accounts, and save the changes. Here, you successfully generated the QR. Click on QR icon, then open an app in your Android phone. Click on Pair Device with AnexConnect, allow permissions, scan the QR. Here you have successfully synced your app with AnexConnect. Click on My Info in order to view your customer information, then swipe down to refresh.